Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix Canon Pixma G3060 printer error 1368. Okay, let's start the video. Now, in this printer, print quality issue, we will check first print, nozzle check print. Okay. Now, press setting button, then select here maintenance. Okay, select here maintenance. Now, click OK. Now, click OK for nozzle check. Wait for print. Print is coming. Please wait. Now you check in this print, magenta and black color is missing. Now I am going to deep cleaning. Okay, select deep cleaning here. Now press OK. When I make deep cleaning, now error is show on screen. Now you see 1368 error is show on screen. This error is maintenance cartridge error. Compulsory need to change maintenance cartridge for clear this error. Power of printer. Now open back cover screw. This is maintenance cartridge area. First open this cover and remove this maintenance cartridge from the printer. Okay. Now you see maintenance cartridge is almost full. Okay. Now I am going to change this cartridge. This is our new one maintenance cartridge. Open this cartridge wrap. Now insert maintenance cartridge in printer. Okay. After this, fit this cover and fix screw. After this, connect power cord to printer and power on printer. Now you see on display error is not shown. Now make deep cleaning here. Click on setting button, then OK button. Okay, present. Select here. I am first making here in flush. Now you see ink flush is running. Error is not shown. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.